Welcome to Roofing Quick Tips, where we answer your roofing questions in 60 seconds or less. Today, we explain what a roof valley is and how you can prevent leaks in it. Let's get started. A roof valley is a term used to describe where two slopes meet to form an interior angle. There are two types of roof valleys, an open valley and a closed valley. A closed valley is when the shingles on the two slopes meet and actually touch. An open valley is when those shingles stop right before touching. An open valley is more expensive, but is generally considered to have a higher curb appeal than a closed valley. To prevent leaks, roofers will install ice and water shield in a closed valley and metal in an open valley. The metal is what gives a higher curb appeal to open valleys because they act as accents on your roof system. Even with this installed protection, if debris forms dams on your roof causing standing water, you're going to get leaks regardless. So you can do your part by making sure you get annual roof inspections where the roofer will clear that debris for you. Now you know what you need to know about roof valleys. For more maintenance tips, you can click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch 6 maintenance tips to maximize your roof's lifespan. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing, and thank you again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so we can spread more helpful information to homeowners like yourself, and I'll see you next time.